Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here again. Wanted to give you an update for this week. Reminding you, Friday is the end of the marking period, so make sure you have all of your pre-existing assignments turned in by then. That does not include Edgenuity, but all the things we did before we left on March 13th. So if you have to take that test yet, there are a lot of you who still haven't taken the test. Seventh graders, a lot of you still have 6 frames to turn in, things like that. Now, 6 frames. A moment here for the seventh graders. I've given you a couple options. You can either take and draw your 6 frames like you normally would, and then take pictures of them and send them to me, or you can do 6 slides in a Google slide presentation and send that to me. But a lot of you have that to turn in yet, and those will turn into zeros here real quick. And also the test that we took Friday before we left. Several of you were gone and still haven't taken that yet. So if you've taken it, make sure you let me know. If you haven't taken it, take it and then let me know. Have all that done before Friday. We've been told we need to get those grades in very quickly on Friday. Edgenuity class doesn't have to be done for me anyway. I'm not talking about Mrs. Peddley, but for me, it does not have to be done by Friday. That is the target date. And it'd be nice for you to have it done so you can have spring break off. That was the idea, for you to not have to work during spring break. If you decided that that would work out better for you, or some of you have told me that you're going to be in a better place to do it during spring break because you'll have better access to internet or whatever, that's fine. You want to have it done. I am going to start grading it when we come back from spring break. So make sure you do have it done by then. Now, what's it going to look like after spring break? We're not exactly sure yet. We've been told that we need to still have something for you to do. For me, that could be another unit in Edgenuity. It could be some IXL, something like that. We'll let you know. You'll know when you come back. Again, if you have not set your Google Classroom to give you notifications when something gets added, please do that. I've noticed that I'm putting on some of the instructional videos, some of the reminders, things like that on the Classroom, and not everybody is seeing them. So make sure you're setting that up. Spread the word if you are talking to some of your classmates as well. So other than that, I'm sure I'll come back before Friday is done and give you some more reminders and updates. But after that, I will probably be off pretty much for that week of spring break, just like you are. And we'll come back from spring break with something else to do for that week, unless the governor decides we need more time off after that. So keep up on everything. Let me know if you have questions. I'm getting lots of good emails from students, and that's exactly what I should be doing. So make sure you're keeping me busy with that. And I will talk to you guys